No.
What did I tell you?
I'm sorry, I didn't get it. You want me to go now?
What are you doing? Just go!
That's it. I've had it up to here.
Oh, no!
Hurry! Swim! No, Frankie, wait!
Oh, get your boy! Get your boy!
Frankie!
Letty, is that you?
I'm here, Frankie.
Come closer.
Yes, what is it?
I'm so cold.
That's just because we're cold-blooded.
Ow!
Moron.
Frankie, no. No! This is all my fault. I'm so sorry, Frankie. How am I ever gonna explain this to Pop?
Back up! I'm crazy! I'll be tripping!
Ow! What the? Don't hurt us! We're sorry! It was our